Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is replace them. Today KU has an exam at the Grail Academy. A strict teacher have gave a task that KU could not solve. He was given two array A and B, length of n. KQ is allowed to perform the following operation in the array. Choose an index I, which is I is less than equal to n, and less than n and equal to or greater than 1. Okay, same over here also. Okay, and here in the first statement, replace ai with ai plus 1 or replace ai with bi. Okay, I is in the base. Okay, now he has a q queries. Each query is described by two numbers L and R. His task is to find the maximum value of sum this for each query. If he can perform any number of operation on any element any element of the array, since he is not skilled enough for this, he asks you to help. Okay, so the question is over here. Now he has a q query. For each query he described two numbers are there. His task is to find the maximum value of sum this for each query. If he can perform any number of operation, this operation they were talking about, on any element of the array, since he is not skilled enough for this, he asks for help. Okay, so what is saying, we have two arrays A and B of length n, and we can perform two types of operation. Okay, replace a index I with ai plus at under square bracket ai plus 1, like copy from right neighbor allowed. Okay, and replace ai with bi. I means index. Okay, switch to arrays allowed. Okay, switching to array allowed in the second case, and copy from right neighbors is allowed. Okay, in the first test case. We can do any number of operation on any elements for each queries. Okay guys, so like L and R, find the maximum possible sum of like this statement which is written over there, and the key inside is what value each position achieve. Okay, for any position like I, what is the best value we can put there. Okay, maximum best value we can put there. Okay, we have three choices: keep original ai, switch to bi, copy from right, best. Okay, we want the maximum we took. Okay, like that. So yeah, let me write the code for you. I think the example is enough. For each test case, output q numbers separated by spaces. Okay, now the maximum value of sum this. Okay, so yeah, how we are going to do it, let's write it. Let's make that as bigger so you can see. And comma q. Okay, for int I less than n and I plus plus sin ai sin bi. Okay, then vector long best and okay, best and minus 1 is equal to max a and minus 1 comma b and minus 1. Okay, for int I is equal to n minus 2. Okay, and I is greater than equal to 0, then I decrement. Okay, here we choose the best I, max a, bi best. I plus 1. Okay, then vector long pref n plus 1 comma 0 for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, pref I plus 1 is equal to pref I plus best I. Okay, while q minus minus int l comma r sin l comma r cout pref minus pref l minus 1. Okay, then if q greater than 0, cout cout. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now let's run the code. Okay, okay, let's compile the code. So yeah, there are millions of errors, we can see that. Let's fix few of them. I mean, first we haven't declared what we haven't declared. We haven't declared array. Okay, n comma bn. Okay, yeah, so it compiles successfully. Now let's execute the code. Let's run this test cases. So yeah, it's working fine. It's giving the correct answer, as you can see. So yeah guys, that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.